We're going to go more in depth on this complete kit for your Toyota Tacoma and how it's going to make it ride the best on-road and off-road. All these parts were designed to work in concert for your Tacoma. We have front coilover options with upper control arms, rear shocks that pair with leaf springs. We have bump stop kits to make sure that you have the most comfort and performance for your Tacoma. These kits come with a variety of options, but here's what's going to make your complete kit. We have ride shocks, which is an aluminum body shock with high and low speed compression adjusters. They are sprung for the weight of your vehicle. The rear shocks are tuned for the leaf spring that you're going to use. The upper control arms help you to fit all sizes of tires, but most commonly 285 70/17s, along with the bump stop that has the correct bump stop height in order to protect your shocks for the longest life possible. The leaf spring of your choice is going to support the weight and make sure that you have a truck that sits at the correct ride height and supports your loads. In order for your truck to have a level ride height, we need to pick out a leaf spring that's going to be correct for the weight of your truck. We have ones that work with stock weight to give you a correct lift height, but if you have added weight, like 300 pounds of extra, 500, even 1,000, we'll make sure that you have the stability and control with the right ride height. Every Ride Shocks kit comes with a very detailed instruction manual as well as a setup guide to make sure that you have everything you need to install this kit safely and with the highest performance. We've worked really hard to put together a lot of options for your Tacoma. If you have any questions, put them in the specifications box below. We'll make sure to go through it so it's perfect for your truck. Thanks for watching. I hope this made it a lot easier to make the best kit for your Tacoma. And if you have any questions, shoot us an email or a comment on this video. Otherwise, keep an eye on our newsletter for new products.